Hello friend, welcome back to this channel. Today I show about how to remove any line from any image. In here you see my screen. There is an image but there are many lines but I did not require that line. How to remove that line in Photoshop. Today I show this trick how to remove you line from this any picture. Before starting the video, I request you, if you new user, please subscribe this channel, and if this video helpful to you, then please like this video and of course share your friend who want this trick. Now let's start the video. At first open this video in your Photoshop. Any picture you open this which has many line in the inside in image, that image you open in this in Photoshop. After opening this image, you create a new layer. You see here, create a new layer and select the brush tool and select this line by shift key. Press the shift key. In this way all lines are selected by the brush tool. You see here I have selected all the line by brush tool. Now selected this line. For selecting this line, you click on this layer 1. On this layer 1 you hover your mouse and press the keyboard control key, and you see there is changing on your cursor option, and now click this layer 1 option. You see here all our lines are selected. Now go to your background, selected your background. If you this background are if not rasterized, please do rasterize. If in my case this layer is already rasterized. Now go to your edit menu and select the content fill layer and wait some time, and you see result before and after. There are no line in here, and then click this OK option, and after clicking this option you remove this icon, hide this icon, and in here you see all are selected. And how to remove this, you just press in keyboard Ctrl and D, and you see all selected option are removed, and all line are already removed in this picture. In this way you can remove any line or any error from this any picture. I hope you like this video, and if you are new user then subscribe our channel. Thank you.